Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how to find any number's units place. That can be any number. If the number is having any exponential form, how to find the units place of that exponential term. I will explain clearly in this video. Please watch this video till the end. Let us see if 1 is in units place. First see 1 power 1, 1 square 1, 1 cube 1, 1 power 4 1, 1 power 5 1. So 1 power anything will be 1. If you have 1 power 632, you will get only 1. 1 power 76753, the 1 power 76753 is 1. 1 power 100176770 will be 1. 1 power any number will be 1. If you have any number that is in the power, then you will get only 1. See here, the question is find the units place of 21 square. Here the units place is having 1. So you will get the units place is 1. I can say directly. But let us see whether we got the units place is 1 or not. 21 square, 1 into 1 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 4 4. 441 is the square of this number. In this number, what is the units place? 1. The units place is having 1. Without this calculation, I said the units place of 21 square is 1. How? If the number is having 1 in units place, 21 square, then 21 square units place is 1. So when you square 1, you will get 1. Here they asked only units place of 21 square. They don't ask the whole multiplication result. Here they asked only units place of 21 square. The units place of 21 square is 1. Here the number is very small. I have done multiplication. If the number is having largest power 3768, can I do multiplication? No, I can't. Then how can I say the units place of this power? The logic is, if the number is having 1 in units place, the whole number, even you multiply 3768 times, you will get the units place is 1 only. This is the logic. If you have 1 in units place, forget about the power and the remaining number, you will get definitely 1 in units place. That is the logic. Even if you have n number in power, the number is having 1 in units place, the power can be anything and the remaining part can be anything. If 1 is in units place, then you will definitely will get the 1 in units place. Even you multiply the whole number n times, you will get definitely 1 in units place. Let's see few examples on this concept. Here the given example is 37561 whole power 682. Here the units place of this whole number is 1. When you want to find the whole number after multiply, you will get only 1 in units place. That is the concept here. Even you multiply 682 times this number, you will definitely will get the 1 in units place. The remaining part will be, we don't know. But here they asked only the find the units place of this number after multiplying 682 times. Even you multiply 682 times this number, you will definitely will get 1. The next example, 8971 whole power 321. Here the units place of this number after multiplying 321 times. What will be the number? Definitely 1 will be the number. Even you multiply 8971 321 times, you definitely will get 1 because the 1 is in units place. So 1 power anything can be 1. See the next example, 6891661 whole power 321607. Here when you multiply this number 321607 times, what will be the units place of this number? Definitely 1 will be the units place. Why? This number is having 1 in units place. So when you multiply 1 32160 times, you will definitely again you will get 1. So here they asked only find the units place of this number. So the units place of this number is 1. The remaining part will be anything we don't want because they asked only the units place of this number. So here the units places of this number, when you multiply 321607, you will get 1 in units place. That is the concept here. When you want to multiply any number n times, if the number is having 1 in units place, definitely you will get, after multiplying n times, again you will get 1 in units place. Next concept, if 0 is in units place. First see the power of 0. 0 power 1, 0. 0 square, 0. 0 cube, 0. 0 power 4, 0. 0 power anything can be 0, because you know when you multiply 0 n number of times, definitely you will get again 0. See the question, 50 cube. Find the units place of this number when you multiply 3 times 50. When you multiply 50 3 times, first multiply 2 times. 0 power 0, 0 into 0, 0, 5, 0, 5 0, 0, 5 5 so 25, 5 0 0. Again multiply with one more 50, then 0 into 0, 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 5 so 25, 2 carry, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12. This is the number when you multiply 5 times. They have asked only the units place. They don't ask the remaining number, the whole result of 50 cube. They just asked only units place of this number. The units place of this number is 0. When you multiply, you will get answer and you find the units place of this number 0. Without this calculation, I can directly say the units place of this 50 cube is 0. How? Here the units place of this number is having 0. The power can be anything, then we can say the given number units place is 0. See the question, they just asked only find the units place. They didn't ask the cube of this 50. So we don't need to find the cube of the 50 without calculating this much calculation. We can directly say the the units place of this number 50 is 0, because 0 power anything can be 0. We have already learned previously. Here the power is very small, so I calculated the 50 cube. If the power is having larger number 32, can I multiply 50 32 times? No, I can't. So when you have 0 in units place and power can be anything and remaining part can be anything, when you want to find units place of that number, then we can directly write the units place of that number is 0, because 0 power anything can be 0. They have asked only units place of that number, so the units place of that number is 0. Definitely you will get 0 in units place. Let's see few examples. Find the units place of these examples. First example is 320 whole power 762. When you multiply 320 762 times, what will be the units place? What will be the units place? Definitely 0. Because the units place is having 0, when you multiply 0 762 times, definitely you will get 0, because 0 power anything 0. The second example, 67870 whole power 13. When you multiply 67870 13 times, what will you get in units place? Definitely 0. The remaining part can be anything, but the 0 is the units place, because 0 is having in units place. So when you multiply 67870 13 times, you will definitely get 0. The last example, 799860 whole power 177807. When you multiply 799860 177807 times, what will be the units place? Here the number is having 0 in units place, so even you multiply this number 17780 times, you will definitely get 0 in units place. they have asked only units place. So the units place of this number, when after multiplying 177807 times, the units place of that number is 0. Like that, when you have 0 in units place, the remaining part can be anything, the power can be anything. Definitely the units place is 0 when you have 0 in units place. Let us discuss the next concept. If 5 is in units place, first see the power of 5. 5 power 1, 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4, 625. Like that, when you multiply 5 and times in units place, you will definitely get 5. Observe this. 5 power 1, 5 in units place, 5 square is having units place is 5, 5 cube is having 5 in units place, 5 power 4 is having 5 in units place. Even you multiply n number of times 5, definitely you will get 5 is in units place. So when you have any number with 5, when you want to find the units place of that number, definitely you will get units place is 5. See this example 25 square. When you multiply 25 2 times, what will be the units place? Without calculating 25 2 times, I can say the units place of this number is 5, because the units place is having 5. So even you multiply 25 2 times, definitely you will get 5. Let us check whether we got the 5 in units place. First multiply 25 2 times. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 2 6. 625 is the multiplication result of 25 whole square. Here they asked only unit digit of this number. They didn't ask the whole multiplication result of 25 square. So we no need to calculate the 25 square. Without calculating 25 2 times, we can say the given number units place is 5. Here even you multiply 25 2 times, the units place is having 5. So let's see few examples on this concept. The first example, 6 7 8 9 5 whole power 12. Here they asked only find the units place of this number. When you want to find any number's units place, if you have 5 is in units place, so after multiplying the number n times, if the number is having 5 is in units place, then you will get 5 in units place after multiplication. Without calculating this number 12 times, we can say the given number units place is 5. So see the next example, 98765 whole cube. When you multiply 98765 3 times, what will be the units place? Definitely 5 will be the units place, because 5 is in units place. When you multiply 5 3 times, you will get 5 is in units place. The next example, 3689245 whole power 7632477. When you multiply this number 7632477 times, what will be the units place? Here you have 5 is in units place. So without calculating this number n times, we can say the units place of this number is 5. We don't need the remaining part. They have asked only find the units place of this number when you multiply n times. When you have 5 is in units place, after multiplying n times, you will definitely get 5 again. In this video, you have learned how to find units place of 0, 1, 5. If any number is having 0 in units place, the remaining part can be anything and power can be anything. Even you multiply 0 n times, you will definitely get units place is 0. Like that, if 1 is in units place, the remaining part can be anything and power can be anything. The units place will be 1. Like that, 5. If you have 5 is in units place, the power can be anything, remaining part can be anything. Definitely you will get 5 is in units place. I hope you understood this concept. In this video, you have seen how to find the units place of 0, 1, 5. And you learned how to find the units place of these 3 numbers. The remaining numbers 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will explain you in the next video how to find the units place of these numbers. Please subscribe my channel and enable bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload that video. I hope you understood this concept. If you understand this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.